Hey everyone, I just wanted to record a quick video talking about some of the new features that have been added to the ZenML VS Code extension. And I'll just demo some of them. So this assumes that you're connected. The extension assumes that you're on version 0.63.0 or greater, and this needs to be true for both your client and your server. So that's one thing to bear in mind. But as usual, you can see your stacks, components, and pipeline runs, as well as information about the environment. New features that have been added include the DAG visualizer. So if you click on this kind of little triangle button, this visualization, what you'll see is within VS Code, actually a visualization of your pipeline DAG. And you can hover over certain components to see the flow of information or logic through your pipeline. That's one cool thing. And you can click on a particular step and it will load metadata relating to that step. You can do the same for artifacts and get that information. So those are two pretty cool things. And this obviously rescales and you can zoom and move things around and so on. Then the other thing that we've added is the ability to register, delete, and update stack components and stacks from within the VS Code extension. So if we go here, we click the plus button on stack components, we can add a new alerter, let's say. Let's add a Slack alerter. I can do video test as the component name. We'll type in some random token ID since it's a mandatory property. Click submit, and that will show up here as the video test stack component. Which is there. And of course, you can click this little pen sign to update it. Then if we wanted to have a stack, perhaps, in which we use this, we could type video test. Let's say we wanted to create a stack with a vertex orchestrator, GCP Cloud Artifact Store, local image builder, GCP container registry, and let's scroll down to the alerters. Here, video test was the component we just made, and then click submit. And I have a feeling this stack already exists. 1 second. So yeah, we can just click submit, and yeah, that'll show up in our stacks here. And deleting it, you can just click the delete button. You can actually click to go to the real dashboard with this icon, copy it, update it, as well as set it as your active stack if you want. And a reminder, you have in this little bottom right-hand corner a way to switch stacks if you're interested. So yeah, thank you very much to Erik Wiens and Christopher Perkins for adding all of these features. There'll be some new VS Code extension features coming up in the near future. I just wanted to let you know of what we have just released today. Thank you very much. See you around.